Artificial intelligence is adding tech advancements to all aspects of life, and that includes meteorology and forecasting. Meteorologist Lee Southwick spoke with an AI-driven weather forecasting company to find out what the difference is between the traditional models our forecasters use and the new AI weather models.
The use of artificial intelligence is rapidly growing across all sorts of industries, and weather forecast modeling is no exception. Excarta is an AI driven weather forecasting platform. This Bay Area startup does medium range forecasting for industries impacted by weather like energy, supply chain, transportation, and insurance. But why use AI instead of traditional forecast models? Those traditional models look at current weather and apply physics to solve what's going to happen in the atmosphere. The AI models aren't taught any physics, but instead are fed historical data.
All we do is show it what actually happened. Can it learn from the data itself? And what we see is that it does end up learning its own physics that does act a lot like a physical model would.
The AI model will then constantly improve as it continues to get new real world data. So both models, the AI and traditional ones, are useful.
So the real question is, what's the ideal world going to look like where each of these fields bring their best to the table, and the combination likely is going to be better than anyone individually could be.
They say the next steps for AI models are improved resolution for microclimates and seasonal forecasts.
Then you can actually help farmers think about, is there going to be enough rain this summer or not? And if there's a cold winter, you can plan for that.
Agencies like NOAA and companies like Google are also in the process of researching for longer range forecasts.